esteemed delegates, I hope you all had a restful night and are ready for an exciting and insightful day ahead. Please begin taking your seats as we prepare to kick off Day 2 of the School News Global Educators Fest 2024. Today promises to be filled with thought-provoking sessions, inspiring speakers, and actionable insights that will shape the future of education. Let's get started. Let's begin our day with a quick recap of yesterday's highlights. To do the honors, I'm delighted to invite Mr. Sandeep Dutt, founder of the Good School Alliance, to the stage. Mr. Sandeep has been instrumental in driving change in the education sector, and we look forward to hearing his reflections on day 1.
God bless you. I have nothing to say. I hope this is an ode to every teacher who is present here. It's so simple. All the world's tasks are so confused and contorted. Thanks to your grace, are untangled and sorted. That's the teacher in you. Happy teachers, we love you. I bow down to every teacher who's there in the world, whether it's nature, whether it is nurture. I'm taking a leaf of yesterday's name of a brand. So tough day yesterday with people, so many rooms. Look after the chief guest. And my dear friend Ravi gives me a task. 10 मिनट में कल का कैप्सूल बना दो. रवि अभी उम्र ज़्यादा नहीं है पर घुटने कल थक गए सीढ़ी में ऊपर नीचे चढ़ते. लिफ्ट भी थी. अरे भाई लिफ्ट करा दे. God bless you for the lift करा दे. I think before we start the day, we will all get up now because I know as the day goes, people will start chickening out. We all need to get up and say a big thank you to Ravi because all of us who matter to him in his life are here. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. Now to summarize yesterday's recap. Yeah, there's something exciting here. We'll talk about it. First thing I thought which captures what we did yesterday was mindset. So I'm going to give you 18 points. I was sitting on seat number 18, I don't know why. So if I was on some other seat number, I may have got more points, but today I have only 18 points which I picked up from yesterday. And if you see these 18 points, they will cover practically every presentation, whether I ended up inside it or not. So the people whose tracks I did not manage yesterday, I'll try and make up today. My due apologies. I don't want broken hearts in all the girl and boy friends here. So first thing we talked about was mindset. If you saw, this word went through and through so many of the conversations yesterday. Whether the opening session in the keynote, to every room I went to, it was all about mindset. Second, real world. I heard this word time and away. Real world, real world. So do keep this in mind whenever you prepare your child for the future. So why are we here? We are here to provide the right learning environment and help your child face the world for tomorrow. I'm sure we all agree at that. Next thing we heard was transformation. I heard this word on and off. Some of these words you may have used in your session, that's why they were picked up. Capacity building. Amrita ji? Child development. I'm sure we saw elements of child development yesterday. Invest in ECA. This was an important element which we picked up. Invest in ECA because early childhood education or early childhood years, I think that matters the most. And I'm glad if you look at the new education policy, they have first taken out a curriculum for early childhood, and then the other bits are coming out. So I think it's now very, very clear the school, if it exists, look what I'm saying, if it exists as you think today, because I think it will not exist. If a school exists tomorrow, it will get splintered into 4 schools. ये जो 10+2 वाला स्कूल है, अगर आप चला रहे हैं, ये लॉस मेकिंग हो जाएगा बहुत जल्दी. माफ़ करना, मैं इतना खतरनाक तरीके से बोल रहा हूँ. आपको इसके 4 स्कूल बनाने पड़ेंगे और 4 स्कूल्स को अलग तरीके से चलाना पड़ेगा. It's going to become so complex running a school. So that's why I'm saying, work hard to make the best early childhood years in your school, and that's an important message for all of us. All in AI. You can call it what we want, but I call it all in. So this is an important message. Yesterday, everyone felt that we all have to be in it. Innovative learning. I heard this word on and off from every session. You need innovation in learning, innovative learning. Teachers alone matter. अभी और पॉइंट्स बाकी हैं, केवल 10 हुए हैं, पर 10वें नंबर पे मेरे लिए टीचर्स अलोन मैटर था. Nothing else matters. And when we put our head on the ground, it's the dust of the teacher which must come onto our forehead. That's all matters. And nothing else matters. Yeah, now the better part. There must be fun. And I've said it before, even fundamental starts with fun. Fun-da-mental. I break up that word like that. You can't have anything mental if you don't have fun. So, next. Travel and tour will become a very, very important part of learning for years to come. And we saw how Ravi is passionately trying to create another Guinness Book certificate for us. Blessings for you, good wishes for you, tan man dhan for you. So travel will become very important in learning. Last year we had Russell, if you remember. Russell was the name? Yeah. A very interesting program. He's called me to Japan next year. So maybe I find my way there. Next, vocational skills. Amrita, आप तो बहुत हंस रही हैं. Vocational skills, that matters. If you don't have vocational skills in your school, okay. I'll give you an example. Let me acknowledge, and I say it loudly, I belong to the Doon School. And I say it for the first time I ever said. And my guru is sitting here. Have a look what the Doon School does. You may say what you want today. Vocational skills, they have done it for the last 75 years, and you're talking today. I just wanted to make a point. I learned my metal work from there. I learned my woodwork from there. I learned industrial chemistry from the guru sitting here. And that's why he talked about percentage in the alcohol yesterday somewhere. I overheard that. So, this is an important part. And I've been shouting out loud to Doon School. They keep saying we have a Doon School curriculum. I'm saying, मुझे पढ़ने के लिए तो दे दो. So they claim to have codified it. The day we get a copy, we'll distribute it. Thank you, Doon School. Next thing, entrepreneurship. Everyone said in everything that we need to not just have an entrepreneurial mindset, but we need to prepare for entrepreneurship. Even the Prime Minister says, I love him when he says, उसने पकौड़ा बना के रोटी बनाई, इज्जत तो है ना. और मैं भी एक छोटा सा किताबों का दुकानदार हूँ 100 साल से, और मुझे बहुत गर्व है उसमें कि मेरी छोटी सी किताबों की दुकान है. तो ये हिंदुस्तान की 12 पावर्स हैं, जिनमें से एक है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. अगर आपको पता करना है हिंदुस्तान की 12 पावर कौन सी है, एक छोटी सी किताब है, हाईवे टू स्वादेश, जो हर एक स्कूल को पढ़नी चाहिए. हाईवे टू स्वादेश में 12 पावर दी गई हैं जो हिंदुस्तान को बदल देंगी. वो नहीं है जो हम आजकल बोलते हैं हम स्मार्ट सिटी बना देंगे, आईटी बना देंगे, ऐसी कोई पावर नहीं है उसमें. इट टॉक्स अबाउट कल्चर, इट टॉक्स अबाउट नेचर, it talks about a holistic system of medicine. Please get this book. It's called Highway to Swadesh. We did a little program with her, Bhairavi Jani, in our master class. I'll tell you about that later. Jobs for the future. We heard a lot about that. Thank you for highlighting that point. And jobs for the future, no one here knows what they are. So please acknowledge that. Play most essential. So whether Ravi goes traveling or what the antics we do here or the toys we do here, I love the way I went to the early childhood room yesterday. Prabha and Co, thanks. I haven't mentioned all 3 of you, but God bless you. आपको कमरा मिला, पर इन्होंने सीढ़ियों वाला दे दिया. ये हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम का डिस्कनेक्ट है. So we'll try and do that, sort it out. But the important part is the environment which plays in the room or in the learning system or in the ecosystem for young children for play is very essential. Next, the world is changing faster than you can wake up. And most important, only one message, be humble. That's the recap for yesterday. अब कहानी बाकी है. So, I'm trying to solve the mystery for this. What is this? Is the antithesis of a school. स्कूल न्यूज में देखो, स्कूल वालों के सामने, सबके सामने कह रहे हैं एंटीथीसिस ऑफ अ स्कूल. ये 4 बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे. अभी जो हमने 18 पॉइंट बनाए थे, अब उसके 4 हो जाएंगे. ये 18 पॉइंट्स हमारे रीकैप में से आए फ्रॉम यस्टरडे. आई विल लीव बिहाइंड ओनली 4 बिकॉज आप लोग 18 नोट नहीं कर पाएंगे. रवि मेरी डायरी चुरा ले और बांट दे, बात अलग है, पर आज तक चुरा नहीं पाया. मेरे पास 2016 से 2024 तक की पूरी डायरियां हैं अपनी कॉन्फ्रेंस की लिखी हुई. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं रवि की किताब आने से पहले मेरी किताब आ जाएगी, बिकॉज मैं पब्लिशिंग इकोसिस्टम में हूं. सो इसको देखिए आप, ये 4 बच्चे हैं यहां पे. आप क्या सोचते हैं हमने 4 बच्चे क्यों दर्शाए गए हैं, और ये जो आपके 18 पॉइंट्स हैं इन 4 बच्चों के हाथ में क्यों हैं? कोई सोचेगा? इसका मतलब किसी ने हमारी वेबसाइट ही नहीं देखी तो जानेंगे क्या? सबसे पहला, ये एक बच्चा है सियान. सियान is a color for collaboration. It's part of the main pigment structure. Without cyan, you can form no color. It's called the magenta. It's called the collaborative magenta. Collaborative magenta. And that means serving others. ये एक रंग है जो अपने आप को देके उसमें समा जाता है और उसे कहते हैं सर्विस. So when a child goes to school, parents give the child to the school. Child learns to share. That's the first thing that happens in service. Child learns to give. Second one. This is now the electric blue. This is for sport. So the child goes to school to improve motor skills mentally, physically. That's why the second child here. Third one. सोचे, service, skill, sport and study. I'll make it simpler because bell बज रही है, maybe मेरा time जा रहा है. So जो 4 बच्चे हैं, service, skill, sport and study. I don't want to go to selling the brand or going more into detail why we made these colors. So if you can offer a system of service, skill, sport and study, you got the best school. And that's the story behind the making of My Good School, where every child can learn. And there should be equal emphasis. So these 4 children of service, skill, sports and study, I'll give you an example. In our school, I don't want to name any school. In our school, we have 4 trophies, 1 for service, 1 for skill, 1 for sport, 1 for study. Our report card records service, skill, sport, and study. That's how we create a school report card. So we made this My Good philosophy in 2012. And as we grew up, more schools liked it. They asked us how they could do this in their schools. And when that was happening, we ended up becoming an alliance of schools. So what we do now, every year, we work with 25 schools year on year. We work remotely. With this philosophy in the backdrop, we focus on what we can in a remote classroom. I know this requires physical work, it requires going to schools, which you people will do. But when we work remotely with you as a foundation, we say, behold the 6 C's. अरे पहले 18 पॉइंट दिए, फिर 4 रीज़न बताए स्कूल क्यों होता है, अब 6 C भी आ गए. Okay, so when you are going to prepare your child for the future, this is important for everyone. Child must have critical thinking. We say it every day. This is beaten and flogged. Creativity, collaboration, communication, character, and citizenship. That should be the curriculum which we should use globally. And what is the way to do it? How do you get this? How do you reach out to the world with this? That's the question. Now come to the 3 R's. There are only one simple way where you can do all these things. The first R is read. मेरा जिंदगी का मकसद केवल एक है, read. मैं एक किताब का नाम बीच में दे चुका हूँ और अब मैं ख़त्म करूँगा एक किताब के नाम से और अगर आप ये 2 किताबें पढ़ लेंगे, ये 2 किताबें, you will be in a position to prepare your child for a better world, for a better tomorrow, for his future. First thing is read. So when you read, what do? आपके दिमाग में रील चलती है. जब आपके दिमाग में रील चलती है, आप रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं. जब आप रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं, आपकी रिलेशनशिप्स बनती है, पहले अपने साथ से, फिर जो कैरेक्टर्स आपके दिमाग में आते हैं और फिर दुनिया के साथ. तो लर्निंग आउटकम स्कूल का क्या होना चाहिए? रीडिंग, रिफ्लेक्शन और रिलेशनशिप. एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड माई गुड स्कूल. सो रवि, दैट वॉज द स्टोरी. अब केवल एक किताब का नाम बताना है. माफ़ करना, मैं किताबें बेच नहीं रहा, आपको सिर्फ इनकरेज कर रहा हूँ जहाँ आपको रिसोर्स मिल सकता है. बिकॉज हम 100 साल से किताबें बेच रहे हैं और लोग सोचते हैं मैं किताब बेचने आया हूँ. हमारा बेचने का तरीका भी बड़ी सिंपल है. हम किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन को सप्लाई नहीं करते, किताब देने नहीं जाते, मार्केटिंग नहीं करते. सिर्फ एक दुकान में किताबें रखी है, उसके ऊपर लाइब्रेरी बनाई है. आप आके पढ़िए, अगर कोई किताब पसंद आए ले जाइए. दैट्स ऑल. So the book I'm reading currently is called Exponential Organizations. Exponential Organizations. The name of the book is by Salim Ismail. Why new organizations are 10 times better, faster and cheaper than yours. Why new organizations are 10 times faster, better and cheaper than yours. This book was published in 2013. I'm telling the name 10 years down the line. What you're seeing in the world today is all mentioned in the book. And what you'll see for the next 25 years is also mentioned in the book. Thank you. The book is published by Singularity University. Maybe you should find that out. It will give your university a meaning, because Singularity University says one simple thing, and that's the end of my conversation. It says that every curriculum must be updated faster than your thought. It says that curriculum has to be updated ongoing. So when you say we have a national curriculum framework, you are wrong. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Cheers from Good School Alliance. We love you all. God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Sandeep, for that wonderful recap. Can I kindly request you to stay on the stage, please, while I invite Mr. Ravi Santlani for the felicitation.
Of course,